Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to transfer money from your PayPal account over to a bank account or checking account. So to do this, we're going to head on over to paypal.com. I'll link their webpage right at the top of the video description. Once you're over at PayPal, click the login button and log in using your PayPal email as well as password. And then under your PayPal balance, there's a transfer money option right here. But for this video, I'm going to go a little bit more in detail. So we're going to head on over to the wallet tab here at the top. And you're going to have all of your payment methods listed here over on the side. If you have not already done so, you're going to have to link a bank account that you're going to transfer to. I already have a bank account linked, so that's what I'm going to use in this example. So then in our PayPal balance, what we're going to do is click where it says transfer money. And to get this PayPal balance page to show up, if it doesn't automatically, just go ahead and click where it says balance over here on the side of the screen. So then once we're in this area, go ahead, click transfer money. And then we're going to click transfer to your bank. And then you might have a couple of different options here if you also linked a debit card. If you want the instant transfer, there's going to be a 1% fee, but you can do that by transferring through your debit card. If not, just go ahead and transfer to the bank, which is the standard free way. That's the way I recommend to do it. And the funds will typically show up within about 1 to 3 business days. You select the bank account that you want to transfer to and then click next. And then you're going to enter how much you want to transfer right here in this area. And it will also list the available amount that you can transfer from your PayPal balance right here. So once you have the amount that you want to transfer over to your bank account, go ahead and click next. And then on the last page here, it's going to have you review your transfer. So the amount that you're going to be transferring, where it's coming from, where it's going to. So in this instance, it's from the PayPal balance over to the bank account, checking account. And then the estimated arrival here is 1 to 3 business days. The transfer amount, the fee, which is free for transferring the standard way, over to a bank account, and then how much you'll get at the bottom. And then to finish everything up, just go ahead and click transfer now, and it should put the wheels in motion to complete this transaction. So I hope this video is helpful, walking you through the step-by-step process on how to transfer money from your PayPal account to your bank account. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.